Assalamu alaikum. Hi there, this is Shima speaking. I would like to share about my tomorrow's plan. I will wake up at 4:30 a.m. After waking up, I will say dua. Then I will make my bed. After that, I will exit my room and brush my teeth. After brushing my teeth, I will take ablution. Then I will wear my clothes and take my prayer mat. Then I will perform Fajr Salah. After performing Fajr Salah, I will say dua. Then I will recite the Holy Quran. After reciting the Holy Quran, I will make my breakfast and I will have my breakfast. Next, I will go to my office. After finishing my office, I will come back home. Then I will change my clothes. Next, I will take a shower. After taking a shower, I will perform Johor Salah. After performing Johor Salah, I will have lunch. Then I will take rest. After that, I will perform Asr Salah. After performing Asr Salah, I will study some time. Then I will perform Maghrib Salah. After finishing my online class, I will perform Isha Salah. After performing Isha Salah, I will have dinner. Afterwards, I will say dua. At last, I will sleep at 10:30 p.m.